Doing a little test of my little tank volume reader on my smaller tank. So I will be even with the rim here, and the water looks like it's down about, let's say, 20 inches. Anyway, we're gonna turn this on. It's hard to read it, so I'll have to do it and then we'll read it. I'll try not to drop my batteries inside. Okay, we're about even. And I'm counting, so I know when this is done. Okay, that should be done. Let's see what it says. I hope you can read that. I can't read it. Anyway, we'll see if that works. Okay, we can see it better inside the house. So that's my little box and a little LED screen. Now we're going to hook up a cable and see if it works way out at the tank area. Okay, I'm going to take this sensor off of the board and solder it to one end of this cable and the board to the other end of this cable, and run it all the way out to the tank. We are ready to go. We got the end soldered in that cable, and we have I found this little fitting that worked just great, this female plug, so that's good. We got our cable, so we're gonna install this. Okay, I have my ping sensor right here. It's just a temporary place for it. This is the level. Probably mount it right about there. And our cable is running inside. Okay, inside I have our board set up here. Our wires are plugged in. I've temporary got the stuff there running out the window. Let's see if I can get rid of some of this outside light. Oh, it's much better. Okay, I've adjusted the exposure so you could see the screens. I've got my rain harvest, my big tank's almost full, 1452, and now we're going to start this one and the small tank and see how our system works. $1460 gallons. It works fine. We have about 100 foot of cable that goes out to the water tank. Okay, so I just need to dress this up. Maybe use a mini propeller instead of the full board, and just dress it up, make it look a little prettier. It works great. Okay, that's what I'm using my propeller board for, and the programming language Blockly Prop. Okay, here's a close-up of my board, and my ping sensor has 3 prongs at the bottom of it, and the first one uses this resistor. The middle one is red, this red here, and it goes into the 5-volt little block over here, and the negative goes into the ground block over here. And on the screen, the OLED screen, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections, and the positive and negative. So the positive goes over here to a 3-volt supply, and the negative goes over here to a ground. And the other ones connect up as you see fit to whatever pin numbers that you are using. Let's see, I used 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and they're on this pin block over here. And then of course I have additional power here. That's so I could operate it without it being plugged into the USB cable. Okay, this is the same setup that you see on their website. Go into Blockly Prop, learn parallel, and search on the ping, ultra ping sensor, and the OLED screen. Use the same setup they have, and you'll be doing the same thing I did.